Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to hide common program groups from Start menu in Windows 10. Type Group Policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click User Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click Start menu and Taskbar. Double-click, remove common program groups from Start menu. Click Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.